Hey guys, I'm at the Versatex booth at the Journal of Light Construction trade show. I'm here with Josh, and they've got a new product that's pretty interesting to me as a carpenter and for house siding. Josh, can you tell us a little bit about this?
Yeah, so this is our brand new product. It's called XCEED siding. What we have here is a 4.5-inch lap siding made out of high density PVC. It comes in 16-foot lengths, 6 different colors. The colors are actually capstock, as you can see. So basically for dark colors, it's going to reflect all the UV rays to lessen the expansion contraction over the lengths.
Nice.
So 16-foot lengths, Class A fire rating. Since it's PVC,
rigid too, yeah.
Super rigid install, so it's a top drop install. Get your plumb line. Next piece of siding just goes right over the top.
What's that, about 1.5 inch overlap?
Yep, correct.
Very nice.
And then for your joints, we have a, we came up with this hem bracket. It's a stainless steel bracket, so there's no need to caulk or use any adhesive on here. So what's going to happen is your hem bracket is going to go directly across 2 pan head screws so that the whole board.
So I don't have to cut this short at a stud if I want to try to get good nailing at a stud. I can run these long.
Correct.
I'm going to call this, you call it a hem bracket?
Hem bracket,
It's a spline, basically.
It's a spline,
so
correct.
you put the spline in at 16 feet, you just run long and you do whatever you got to do, as opposed to normally, I would normally try to cut this back, put it near a stud, flash the back of it, call it,
None of that is needed anymore.
Yeah. I'd still flash it.
You don't have to.
Why?
Because this is never coming apart. It's never going to show.
I'd still flash the joint, I think, for waterproofing, but I think the spline idea is genius. So this is stainless steel, and it comes with a bag of stainless steel screws, I imagine, and they just go right in they go right through it?
Yeah.
Or you go through the slots?
Two screws on each side? Nope, right through it.
Right through it?
Correct.
That is really cool. And then these colors are new too. You got 6 new colors?
6 colors, and we have 4 on the way as well, so it'll be a total of 10.
Are these the colors?
These are our colors right here.
What are they?
This is the popular one right here, is the Heritage Blue.
Yep.
Then you have your regular white. But yes.
Beige.
We just kind of took a pull of the popular colors.
So 6 new colors. That means you're up to what? About 10 colors now
total?
total?
We'll have 10 colors total. Yes.
Any new colors on the horizon coming out, or?
We have the 4 new. So far you only could get these 6.
Yeah.
May, June.
Really nice.
We'll have 10.
What is the lineal foot price on some of the stuff? Do you have pricing on this stuff yet?
So as a manufacturer, we don't really deal with the pricing. You'll have to talk to your dealer, but in the range of about $450 to $500 a square.
Okay, that's good to know.
Comes in boxes of 4, wrapped up, sealed up. 1 box is a quarter square. 4 boxes make a square. So very easy. We also have the accessories to go with the siding that we came up with on our own. One other new thing that we came up with is our Stealth series.
Oh yeah.
The leg right here, as you can see, that's a 1-inch leg.
Right.
So that you can, if it's cold out, you want to leave it stand off.
You can leave yourself expansion.
Correct.
And I'm sure you recommend that anyway, right?
Oh, 100%.
16 plus speed or?
100%.
Yeah.
Yep.
Very nice.
Numerous accessories, got a great band board here. If you want to transition the colors.
Yep.
So what we did is we just routed it out. So
nice.
That slides in.
Between
this is our band
floors or something? Or,
and this is also our frieze too. So there's your frieze. Wherever you have to rip it for your top course, that covers your nail hole.
Do you make this wider so you could do a water table detail on the bottom and lap over, start a course?
Here's our water table right here.
Very nice.
Yep.
So you'd start like that.
Yep.
You don't need to start a course.
Capillary on the bottom, so the water doesn't track in.
Right. Capillary break for the rain. The water doesn't follow to the house. Do you make wider than this?
No,
I work on a lot of houses that have like really big water table.
Sure. And we don't. When we have that case, it's over there, but you can use a board.
Yeah, and then you can
and
just
then a molding on top.
Of course.
This is another starter as well.
It's tapered.
Tapered
starter.
Yep.
Interesting.
So you have that same profile with the capillary.
Guys use this?
In New England,
I've never seen it.
Guys.
Yeah. I guess I'm more traditional. I'd be using
right.
that. Yeah.
Right.
I mean, some of the water tables we do actually has a little thing on it. Yeah.
And we have those SKUs as well.
You do.
But these are the ones that we came up for specifically for the side.
And standard nailing, like roofing nail.
Standoff nail.
Nail gun.
Some guys are even using nail gun. The DeWalt to have the standoff nailing.
Yep.
A lot of guys are using GRKs, the GRK cabinet, exterior cabinet screws. Yep. That works. So a project
Slows them down a little bit, but it's a little nicer install.
A little,
yeah.
but still, you know, 16 on center.
How's this going to perform in the cold?
Fantastic. No problems
With
at all.
nailing and fastening too?
Right. You just have to mitigate where your expansion contraction is. You know, leave it stand off a little bit.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for your time.